Hi everyone, and welcome to week 6 of Comm 102. This week, you only have really one main assignment, which will be your full informative speech, but there's just a few other things as well that we want to go over here this week. So you do have just a little bit of reading, 2 chapters on persuasion, because you are starting, even though we're working on informative speeches, you are starting to think about your persuasive speech as well and doing some of the prep work for it, and group communication. And so after you do your reading, you will have the regular reading quiz. Not too many of these left, as you read most of the book here at the beginning of the semester. Next is the actual informative speech. So this is the full speech, just given to a webcam, not the live audience yet, but in front of a webcam, giving your speech. Do all you can to make it authentic. I would recommend standing up, so you can use your arms and you can move around. So I would definitely do that. So everyone's practice speech is due by Wednesday night to receive credit on it. And then you'll upload it to your group, and then you need to go in by Saturday night and give feedback to everyone on the group. And it's important to take note of the specific questions mentioned here, how you can give good feedback. It's just saying, hey, good job, great. That doesn't help a speaker at all. Look for things very specific that they're doing well or things that they really can improve on. That's what I'm going to be looking for in your feedback on the speeches. So this week I'll be able to give you feedback before you give that final speech in front of your live audience. So that's kind of the big assignment for this week. However, you do have one other thing to kind of start working on. It's not due this week, but it's start working on your persuasive speech outline. So you did your informative speech outline last week. These kind of overlap a little bit. So even though you're giving your informative, you should start building your persuasive speech outline just so it's ready. So you'll be able to get your sources ready for it, because you won't have the prep weeks for that one like you did for informative, but you know the process. So just start getting that persuasive speech outline ready. As you can see, your sources due 8, and then the outline will be due in week 9 for the persuasive speech. So once you've done that, it's just your participation quiz. So really the big thing is the main speech. Give your best effort into that. You'll get a lot of good feedback from the class, from me, hopefully the presentation practice center that you submitted last week. And yeah, the whole goal is just to progress here. Let me know of any questions that you do have.